Hi class, I am excited to be part of your life and also your career journey and to be your professor for this semester. My name is Dr. Samuel Sasu from Ghana in Africa, and I intentionally decided to wear my smog, which is coming from the northern part of Ghana. It is a traditional dress in the northern part of Ghana, and I want to connect you to my roots. I earned my master's and PhD degree in environmental engineering at the University of Stuttgart in Germany, where I lived for about 8 years before I relocated to the US, and currently working as an environmental scientist at the California State Department of Resource Recycling and Recovery, also called Car Recycle. And I'm currently working at the Cerritos office. And I have gained much experience working on sustainability projects, both here in the US and also internationally. And I've been teaching this course for the past 6 years and met different kinds of students. And I'm looking forward to an exciting class. I currently live in the city of Moreno Valley with my wife and my lovely two children, Ohene and Nana. And I will be active participant in this course, and you can expect that I will reach out to you a few times each week via the following methods, using announcement portals, Canvas, inbox message, discussions, grading feedback, and also videos that I will be sharing with you. I'm looking forward to this class, Resource and Recycling Management, and we will be having an exciting discussions together, and I will be learning a lot from you, and I will also share my experience with you. We are going to have guest speakers with experience who will be sharing their various experiences with us. So looking forward to see you in the first day of class and have an exciting time. Exciting 8 weekends that we'll be sharing together. Thank you very much, and looking forward to see you. Bye-bye.